threes are pleasing, threes are five, odd numbers, not the even numbers kind of thing, is more pleasing to the eye. So Marion's adding in the holly now. She just clips it off into little pieces, and she just fills in between the other greenery that she's put in. A lot of people like to use nandina berries. I, being a master gardener, it's an invasive plant, so I don't use it in my designs. But as Marianne pointed out yesterday, you know, it is better to clip those berries off and leave them on the bushes. So you can get quite a bit of those, and that awful floral ardesia is also on the list. And it does very well here because our soil is more acidic than it's home in the Himalayan mountains, is where it came from. So there's other berries, but there's winter berries right now. There's yopan that are producing some beautiful berries. Jana is the president of the garden club, and she's here. And this week we were at McClay decorating for the Camellia Christmas that's tonight. And they had just some beautiful sprays of just solid berries that they had clipped out at McClay. So there's some really pretty berries blooming right now, in the hollies and the yopans and the winter berries and the sparkleberry stuff. This is kind of a fun, I'm sure y'all all have an old sleigh or sled or something. And I just put a plastic, like a Tupperware thing in it, tried to cover it up. Place my greenery in, much like Marion's doing, layering it in. There's three different kinds of a evergreen in here. The Leyland cypress out of my yard, the rosemary, I have that in my yard as well, but I think we clipped that here. The pine, I'm not sure which pine this is, but this was clipped here at McClay. And I just put a few pieces of bamboo in here, just for some difference in texture and kind of thing. Set it on the wood round if you like that kind of a look. But I think what makes this fun is the candy in it, doesn't it? Yeah, just take a couple of suckers or things like that. I also found these, so you know, you could use something like this, these Leo ones. So I think you got a ticket when you came in, right? So
I didn't.
Gee, can you? Nobody has a ticket?
I didn't get one.
You didn't get one? Okay, I'll let her give out some tickets. If you didn't get one, just raise your hand and she'll give you one. And we'll do something with that in a minute. This is another simple thing. I try to do not just complex, overwhelming things, but I mean, I think some of y'all probably have a trifle bowl at home, and you just put the red and green apples in there. Very inexpensive thing to do. Just buy a bag of the cheapest apples you can get, and alternate them in a bowl like this. It doesn't have to be a trifle bowl per se. You could also take that cute little doodad that's on top of the wine bottle and put it on top of this for some decoration, or tie a couple of Christmas bulbs or something like that on it. So this is, I like this. Some people like clean things, or more organic things. Some people like things all glitzy and beautiful. It just depends on what your taste is and what you like in your home. Everybody got a ticket now? Eugene's going to draw a number out. Okay. The number is, last three digits, 754. Well, I'm going to give you a sucker since it's You can either eat it or decorate with it. It's your choice. It's your choice. You want to draw another one, and I'll give somebody else some inspiration here. Is 785. Yay. Okay. Well, once again, you can put those in your arrangement, or you can eat them. Give me one more number, and we'll do these two as well.